In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by locating and opening Recorder app that's already on your device. Then tap on Agree and Allow in all pop-ups if you never used it before, and use this red button at the bottom left corner to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use this right button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. To enable or disable voice enhancements, click on top right one. And now my favorite part, because most recorders make you discard your recording when you exit, but this one, if you click at the top left corner, it will go in the background. You can see indicator and the countdown over here. To access it again, tap on Recorder app. Now to end it and save it, use this button in the middle. Then play it by clicking on play button and manage it by tapping on all of those options like skip silences or speed. You can even add tags you forgot. Then hit edit, tap on OK, pick part you wanna manage and select trim. Then decide if you wish to keep this part you selected or delete it by clicking on one of those options. To save your recording, click at the top right corner. And as you can see, it was saved as a copy. Now to rename it, you can hold it and click on rename at the bottom. Type in whatever you want to, choose OK. You can also hold it to tap on delete one and get rid of it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!